In the 8th shloka of Bhagavad Gita's first chapter, Arjuna begins to name some of the formidable warriors on the opposing side, providing insight into the composition of the Kaurava army. The shloka goes as follows.
Bhavan bhishmasht karnasht kripasht samitinjay. Ashwathama vikarnasht somdattis tathaiv cha.
Amongst us, there are Bhishma, Karna, Kripa, victorious in battle, Aswathama, Vikarn, and the son of Somdatta, Bhurishrava. In this shloka, Arjuna lists some of the prominent warriors on the Kaurava side. Each of these individuals is renowned for their martial skills and prowess, making them formidable adversaries on the battlefield. This verse signifies the weight of the challenge that lies ahead for Arjuna and the Pandavas. As he identifies these accomplished warriors among his enemies, it accentuates the moral and emotional conflict he is experiencing. While acknowledging the might and valor of these warriors, Arjuna is simultaneously filled with sorrow and apprehension about the impending battle. Symbolically, this shloka marks the beginning of Arjuna's inner turmoil, a pivotal moment in the narrative. It serves as a precursor to his deeper struggle with questions of duty, righteousness, and the path to spiritual enlightenment, which Lord Krishna will address in the subsequent teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. In essence, this verse underscores the complexity of the human condition, where individuals must grapple with conflicting emotions and ethical dilemmas when faced with challenging circumstances.